What's going on, awesome people of YouTube? In today's video, I'm super excited to share with you guys this strategy that I've been using to make anywhere between $80 and $100 in a day, uploading simple 7-second videos to the internet. This will take hardly any time in your day to set up, anywhere between 30 minutes and an hour long, and then this is ready to go and can even become passive from there. And there's no fancy editing skills, no needing to record your own content. You don't even need a camera to go and do this. I'm going to show you a software that will do a lot of this and pretty much all of the work for you. So I really recommend watch this video so that you can see what the software is and how you can get access to it completely for free in this video. And I'm also going to show you a completely free strategy with this and a paid method as well, which will give you a huge boost with this. This is worldwide. Anybody can do this anywhere in the world off their mobile phone as well. If you've got an Android or an Apple device or even a Hawaii smartphone, you can do this anywhere in the world. All you need is a browser on your phone or your laptop and an internet connection. And this is going to be one of those strategies which is a great and faster way to earn some extra money online to invest into something more sustainable. What I'm also going to do is to help you out at the end of this video. I've developed something that will even boost you guys even more with this type of strategy. Is you can go and do this with posting pins and boosting those pins. So if you stick with me until the end of this video, I'm going to give you a premium pin boost program completely for free that you can go and download, and it will send straight to your email. No upsells to some crazy $2,000 course. I really wanted to make this video as value packed as possible. So if you want to get access to everything I'm going to talk about in today's video, make sure to stick with me and watch until the end. And if you want to get more videos like this daily, how I build my online businesses, how I trade Forex and indices with institutional concepts, I've got an entire separate playlist of that on my YouTube channel as well. All of this is free value on YouTube. Then I recommend subscribe down below to the Millionaire Mindset YouTube channel with the red notification bell on so that I can send you a message every time I upload a value-packed video just like today's one. But without further ado, let's not waste any time and get straight into it. What I find really unique about a strategy like this, we don't have to go and sell anything. And what's great about this is that it's a lot harder to go and sell something to a cold audience that doesn't even know you, that doesn't even have any trust with you, than rather give something away, such as a free entry competition like a $1,000 PayPal gift card, a free PS5, or an iPhone 11 giveaway. And by rather giving away a lucky draw competition away for free, you will convert a lot more than trying to sell something, because anybody would love a free opportunity to win a $1,000 PayPal gift card or a PS5 or an Xbox or an iPhone. Anybody would rather take a minute out of their time to enter for that giveaway, which is exactly over here how I made $41.30 yesterday. So yesterday was definitely a slower day. Most of my days have been anywhere between $80 and $100 this week, but some days you will get less, some days you will get more. It's just depending on how the conversions go throughout the day. So the first website you're going to come and visit is called cpalead.com. I'll zoom in on the dashboard on my screen over here so you can see how to spell it. On your CPA Leads dashboard, once you've signed in, come over and scroll down to the section where it says country. Go and search up for specifically United States offers, because we're only going to be really focusing on that country. Offer type, make sure you go and select email submits and surveys. Once that is done, you'll be prompted up with all sorts of email submits and giveaways that you will get paid to refer people to on this website. For example, if I come over to the search bar on the top right and go and search up PayPal, take a look at this. Here is the $1,000 PayPal gift card giveaway that I was talking about, where you will earn 29 cents per every person that you refer to this giveaway. So how this works is this company is hosting a $1,000 PayPal giveaway gift card via method of lucky draw. They are paying people like you and me money to refer people to this giveaway. In return, they are growing their email subscriber list, and they will choose one lucky email to send $1,000 to. If you go and search, for example, iPhone over here, you will see here's an iPhone 13 Pro giveaway where you will get paid $0.58 per every person that you refer to this giveaway. And all they need to do is just enter their name and email to enter, and you will get paid your 58 cents. It's really easy, and it takes a couple of seconds to go and do that. And I know 58 cents may not seem like a lot, but when you've got 100 people being referred to this giveaway every day through your affiliate link, it can add up to quite a lot of money online. So let's, for example, go and choose this iPhone 13 Pro. Go and click on this offer over here, and you will see your unique affiliate link, which will take your leads to a landing page like this, where they just need to enter their information, and from there they will be successfully signed up for the giveaway entry, and you will get paid $0.58 for referring someone to that entry. So this important link over here is your magic link that is going to earn all of your money for you. And it's super important to take note of this. This specific offer is only offered in the United Kingdom, meaning if you refer anyone that's not in the United Kingdom, it will be a null and invalid referral and you won't get your commissions for that. So it's super important to follow with me in this video to only target this specific country over here. And you can do this with anything that you can come and think of. Here's a PlayStation 5 entry giveaway, and there's a whole list of different giveaways over here. So for example, you can win a JBL Charge 4 or a 2000 whatever voucher this is, and there's a whole bunch of other different giveaways that you can win over here. Step number 2 is to go and create these simple 7-second videos, which this entire tool over here called InVideo.io is going to do all of this hard work for you. If you come over to the homepage of InVideo.io and sign in with your free account, again, you can use the completely free account. They do have upgraded accounts, but you don't need any of those. Click on text to video on the homepage over here. You want to make sure that you go and click on the vertical template, and you can pretty much go and choose any theme over here. So I'm going to go and choose this theme over here with this car. Obviously, the pictures are going to update manually according to what our giveaway is about. Go and click on use this template over here, and over here is where the magic happens. You can type in a simple headline and a simple bit of text in the story, and it will turn all of this into a done for you video that you can go and use anywhere on any platform. Go and type the following in your heading: iPhone 13 Pro Max lucky draw giveaway, or if you're using another CPA offer such as the $1,000 PayPal giveaway, it would be $1,000 PayPal giveaway or gift card lucky draw entry. In the story section, go and type something along these lines: hey guys, we are doing an iPhone 13 Pro Max GB size of your choice giveaway via method of lucky draw. Swipe up to enter with your email completely for free. Click on next, and in a couple of seconds, it's going to turn this entire text body into an entire done for you swipe up feature for Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook Reels. And take a look at this. Your entire video in scene for scene is completely done for you. If I go and click on preview all, take a listen to this. I'm just going to mute my PC because it's probably going to be loud, but take a look at this. And just like that, your video is now complete. Go and click on download on the top right, and we can download this done for you video in 720p quality by clicking on export in just a couple of seconds. And that's what I really like about this tool. You can go and create done for you YouTube shorts, TikTok videos, if you're creating presentation slides for Facebook Reels. This is a perfect tool for any kind of short video platform, which, as we all know, is something that is really blowing up now. Really random people around the world are getting famous out of nowhere through Facebook Reels, TikToks, and those kind of platforms that are blowing up. So once your video is done, which will just take a couple of minutes, I'll skip to when it's done rendering, you can download this directly to your PC or your mobile phone. Finally, take a look at this database over here of hundreds of different technology accounts based on tech reveals, iPhone reviews, Samsung reviews, anything that's got to do with the technology niche. Now, these pages are well established with a very good brand with hundreds of thousands of followers. For example, 1 million followers, 621,000 followers, 22,000, 1.1 million, and all of these over here have thousands and thousands of followers. Now we can go and use this database over here to tap into these people's followers, brand, and their audience loyalty to go and promote our specific story that we've just created with our giveaway at a specific price. For example, this page over here with 131,000 followers. If you go and click on this unlock button over here, you will be able to go and unlock the full username. I can't do that because I've used up all my free credits, so I need to upgrade my plan. But you don't need to do that, as you get a whole bunch of free credits to go and do so, because it's super important before you go and use any one of these pages. You need to go and have a look at their page on Instagram to see if their page is getting a good like to follow ratio. So for example, this page has got 19,000 followers, and they are getting anywhere between 300 and some are blowing up to about 600 likes, 700 likes, 3,000 likes, 400 likes. So this page is getting a really good like to follower ratio. If this page only was getting maybe 10 to 50 likes per photo, then it would be suspicious, especially with 19,000 followers, that a lot of these followers are perhaps inactive or fake followers. And secondly, go and have a look if all of these posts are getting a good amount of comments. For example, this post over here is definitely getting, you can see people asking questions. It's not fake bot comments. People are just asking for the price of the phone. And you can actually go and pay a page like this to post the story that you've just created on invideo.io over here on their story with the swipe up feature to your affiliate link from CPA leads over here. So that way, all of the followers following this page can swipe up directly on their story straight to your giveaway, which they can enter for the free iPhone 13 giveaway. And from there, because this page already has a solid following basis and trusted followers, a lot of these followers will trust the type of posts that this page posts on their story. Because remember, story views usually get a lot more views and likes and reactions and interactions than standard posts on their feed. So if you come over to shoutcard.com, which is the name of this database, you can come over to the category sections over here and click on technology, and you can go and view all of these technology pages over here. You can go and click on any one of these, and you want to go and choose the IG story for 24 hours with a link. That is a swipe up link, and luckily this is the cheapest out of all of the different packages that they offer over here. So you can go and add this to your cards. They will then post this on their story with a link, the swipe up link. You will provide that link, which is your affiliate link from CPA leads. When you click on your specific offer, you need to go and copy your affiliate link over here, send them your video that you just created on invideo.io, and just ask them to pair that up on their story. And with a page that has 131,000 followers, let's say 10,000 people or even 5,000 people view their story, and maybe 50 people out of those 5,000 people sign up to your giveaway, you are going to earn 50 times whatever the amount of your offer is. For example, this one would be a $1.90. I think the iPhone giveaway was about $0.58. So let's take $0.58 multiplied by 50 people. That's $29 that you can earn from one story shout out, which is a total profit of 29 minus 15, which is $14 profit. And a page this big, you probably will get a lot more than 50 signups. The free strategy of doing this includes posting these kind of posts that you create on invideo.io and building up your own page, especially on Reels, Facebook Reels and TikTok, because those kind of platforms blow up very quickly, and build a sustainable audience for yourself on your own Instagram page. And once your page grows, you can also go and charge for shoutouts on shoutcard.com and get paid from other people paying for influencer shoutouts on your page. So those are two ways to go about this. You can either start in the beginning and start slow by creating your own page and growing that slowly, or just skipping the process entirely and going to pay for shoutouts and Instagram stories on these already existing big pages. So what I'm going to do is to help you out more with making money specifically on short video platforms. That's YouTube Shorts, TikToks, Facebook Reels. I've created an entire playlist and program on YouTube completely for free in this one simple playlist over here called How to Make Money on TikTok 2022. It doesn't only include TikTok, it also includes Facebook Reels and YouTube Shorts, where I go through how you can make money off your TikTok page and monetize every single video that you post, how to structure your content, and how to favor the algorithm to go viral. And also, as promised, the pin boost giveaway that I'm going to give away at the end of this video. If you come over to the pinned comment on this video and you come over to that first link on that pinned comment, it will take you to this page over here where you can get it sent directly to your email. So what I recommend is, if you want to go and get this, also just make sure you subscribe to this YouTube channel, leave a like and comment down below your most favorite inspirational or motivational quotes, as I love that kind of stuff, and I will go and pin this link on the pinned comment. Also, make sure to go and click on this How to Make Money on TikTok playlist 2022 if you want to get access to all of this content completely for free. So make sure to go and click on this over here, and I'll see you over there.